Hey guys! Thank you so much for clicking on this video. Disclaimer, I'm not a professional and I'm not experienced when it comes to cutting a guy's hair. This would be my first time. However, I've trimmed my own hair before, probably 5 years ago. And I've cut my friend's hair too. That was 3 years ago when I was still in Abu Dhabi. Shout out to my girl, Sheena. Hey girl! And I also, I did a V hairstyle cut for her. It was bombed, I guess. I think she loved it. She better. Okay, so let's begin. I prepared all the necessary things like scissors, water spray, cape, and tiny comb. And here you can see the love of my life, who is not feeling well and really scared. I'm gonna show you how I did it, not really how to do it. I think, I'm not a professional, so I'm not gonna say, and you follow and you blame me. We end up fighting. That's so extreme. So you saw me. I sprayed water to make the hair dump. It took me a good 5 minutes to do this because I was scared too, Okay, so what I'm really trying to do here is trim his hair. I don't want to go crazy. I don't want to go like extreme hairstyle, like a 2x2. That's really short though. I've never tried it before, and I don't think I want to try it this time. Not yet. I might have to go to school or go to a local barber shop and, hey, can you teach me? Teach me how to doggy. Teach me how to doggy. Anyhow, I'll go ahead and fast forward the video so you can see my struggles. Yo, I have to apologize on the camera's position. I know it's far, you can't see what I'm doing, and also for the mess. I'm gonna clean it this week and I promise you guys, I'm gonna do it. I sectioned the hair into 4 sections. 1 is the front, 2nd is the back, 3rd and 4th is the left and right. So the left and right is really tiny. I just really had to go with how the hairstyle is, just go with the flow. And then, as you can see, like so, that's how I did it. There's like a partition, like I separated it, like section, a real section. So you can see the ears are out. Intermission! While you are enjoying a video of myself dancing, I'd like to present to you my masterpiece. Maestro, play the music. Isn't he lovely? Na, 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 na. I don't know the lyrics, you guys, but I'm so proud of my creation. I think I did well. It looks good on him, but he doesn't like it. He wanted a shorter hair, and well, there's nothing I can do about it. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Baboosh!